Miss Munoz here with Level 5 Nomenclature Review. And Level 5 kind of combines everything into one. So the top section takes names and you write formulas. And you have both kinds. You have ionic and covalent. If you don't see prefixes, you're going to, that's ionic, and you're going to balance charges. So I went ahead and filled in, if I didn't see prefixes, I took the name and I put it over here in a formula chart. So on your sheet, it looks a little different. It's just organized differently, but you can take calcium hydroxide and use one of the formula charts to balance the formula. So calcium is on your periodic table, Ca plus 2. Hydroxide is a polyatomic ion, OH minus 1. We're going to cross the 2 over. And this is one that sometimes people forget that you do need parentheses around the OH. There's no subscript with OH, but it's still polyatomic, and it will still need parentheses because there's two elements, O and H. So CaOH2 is going to be your formula. Chromium 3 oxide. This is an example with a Roman numeral. So here's chromium. You got plus 3 plus 2, but the III, the Roman numeral 3, tells you to pick plus 3. Oxide is minus 2. This is one where you cross over both numbers. So your formula is Cr2O3. Silicon dioxide is your example that does have a prefix. So di is 2. You won't use a formula chart for this one because your subscript comes from your prefix. So that's just SiO2. Calcium nitride. We're going to use calcium again, Ca plus 2. So we got Ca plus 2, N minus 3. Just a regular crossover both numbers, Ca3 and 2. And then ammonium phosphate, both polyatomic. And in this case, we are going to cross this 3 over to NH4, and you are going to put parentheses around NH4 before you add the 3. So all right, so I'm going to make another video for the next section.